Welcome, CNG 132 online to week 6 of our summer course. We're diving into chapter 9 this week. We do have an essay due. Make sure to definitely look, or I'm sorry, we don't have an essay due. Make sure to look at the Krebs State of the News. When you click these links, they basically scrape the internet for keywords that give you um, the latest articles that are found. So that's a good way for you guys to kind of stay involved and see what's happening as it relates to device security. Now, when we jump into device security, we're thinking like, how do we keep these devices safe? How do we keep these devices secure? And when I say safe, how do we keep them from walking off or someone taking them? Someone tampering with it, or someone even getting physical access to a device where they're not supposed to have physical access. When we jump into the chapter, we look at hardware system security, security in the operating system, peripheral device security. So we look at, and 9.1b is a good one to really dissect here. It's when we start to make golden images, um, images that have been updated, have had some security configurations done to them, and then we save that image as the golden image because we always can go back to that image at a certain point in time. And really with a company that can be, you can have a golden image made quarterly, you can have a golden image made yearly. It's really defined by the company you're at. Peripheral device, mouse pads, keyboards, monitors, printers, all keeping those in check. Physical security, hardware, physical access, external perimeter fences. We look at ways to keep people out by using fences, concrete blocks, key card access, and this jumps into here, physical access, where we look at door knocks, door locks, deadbolts. I know there was a few places that I went to when I was doing consulting where I jump into an IT closet. I wouldn't have the key to unlock the door, but I could use my credit card to shimmy against this right here uh, by putting my credit card in there, and then the door would then open. I'd have access to that closet. Of course, if a attacker was doing the same thing, they could also get into that the same telco closet, telecommunication closet. We looked at more physical security, man trap, cable conduits. These can be steel or hardened plastic that you slide over to keep those to keep a man in the middle attack from happening. But yeah, this week we just take a look at device security and what all entails device security. Once again, this is one of those layers that you have to really look at as what you're trying to protect. Security through obscurity is probably one of the easiest to do when you're dealing with people that don't know a lot about technology. Is just kind of hiding it. People are not going to know, oh, I need to go here and I can access the control panel, or I can go here and there should be an access point here. With those Wi-Fi scanners that hopefully a few of you downloaded last week, using the signal that gives you the signal strength, or the application part that shows you the signal strength, you can usually find where an access point is at by walking. I use Pokemon Go as a great example. By walking forward, backward, or I should say north, south, east, west, you can kind of position yourself to where the access is at, and then either gain physical access to that access point, or just kind of map it if you're an attacker. This week we don't have any tests. Make sure to get these projects in. They are 40% of your grade. And once again, I'm caught up. Oh, I guess we do have a test this week. I lied. Test 2 is this week. Test 2 will cover chapters 1 through 8. Make sure to get that done this week. And what else? I'll start grading that stuff. Hopefully I get to it later today. If not, I should wrap up grading tomorrow. If you guys have any questions, make sure to reach out to me via email, D2L, or front-range email. Or if you'd like to get a hold of me pretty quickly, join the Google Hangouts. Join the Google Hangouts room, and then I can answer any questions pretty quickly also.